Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm very good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. I was just thinking about my last trip. I love to travel and explore new places. Do you like to travel, Ben?
Yes, I love traveling. I enjoy visiting new cities and learning about different cultures. Traveling is very exciting for me.
Me too. I have been to a few new places recently. Last summer, I went to Italy. It was a wonderful trip.
Wow, Italy! That must be amazing. What did you do there?
I visited many cities in Italy. I went to Rome, Florence, and Venice. In Rome, I saw the Colosseum and the ancient ruins. I walked on busy streets and enjoyed a lot of history.
That sounds very interesting. I have seen pictures of the Colosseum. It is very big and old.
Yes, it is very old and beautiful. In Florence, I visited a small art museum. I saw many paintings and sculptures. The art was very pretty and made me feel calm.
I like art too. Did you learn something about Italian art and culture?
I did. I learned that many Italian artists are very famous. I also learned a few Italian words. It was a fun way to learn about another culture.
That is great. And what did you do in Venice?
In Venice, I took a boat ride. The boat went on small canals. I saw many old buildings and bridges. I also tried some local food.
What kind of food did you try?
I tried pizza and pasta, but I also had fresh seafood. The seafood was very tasty and fresh. I drank some local wine too.
I have heard that Italian food is very good. I like pizza and pasta too.
Yes, the food in Italy is very famous. Every meal was an experience. I also met some friendly people. They helped me with directions and told me stories about their town.
That is wonderful. Meeting local people makes a trip much more interesting. I remember when I traveled to Japan last year. I met many kind people.
Japan. That is very far away. What did you do in Japan?
In Japan, I visited Tokyo and Kyoto. In Tokyo, I saw many tall buildings and bright lights. I went to a big shopping center and tried many different foods.
I have seen Tokyo in pictures. It must be very busy.
Yes, it is very busy. In Kyoto, I visited ancient temples and peaceful gardens. The temples are very old and quiet. I felt calm there.
That sounds very relaxing. Did you try any Japanese food?
Yes, I did. I tried sushi, ramen, and a kind of fried rice. The sushi was very fresh. I also drank green tea, which is very popular in Japan.
I love green tea. I think it is very healthy and has a nice taste.
It is. And the food in Japan is very different from food in Italy. Every country has its own style and taste.
I agree. Traveling teaches us about many cultures. You learn new languages, try new foods, and see beautiful art.
Yes, and you also learn about history and nature. I remember in Japan, I visited a small village near a mountain. The air was clean, and I saw rice fields. It was very peaceful.
That is very nice. I think nature is very important. In Italy, I also walked in parks and gardens. The flowers were very colorful.
Nature and culture go together when you travel. It makes the trip full of memories.
Do you have a favorite trip, Ben?
I really like my trip to Japan because it was very different from my home. I learned many new things and met kind people. I also remember one day when I took a train through the countryside. The view was beautiful.
That sounds amazing. I also have a favorite trip. I loved my trip to Italy. Every city had its own story. I remember a day in Florence when the sun was shining, and I walked on a small street. I found a little cafe and drank an espresso. It felt very special.
Espresso is very strong and tasty. I would love to try one in Italy.
Yes, you must try it. Italian coffee is famous. I also bought a small souvenir from every city. In Rome, I bought a small keychain with the Colosseum. In Florence, I bought a small painting. And in Venice, I bought a little mask.
Souvenirs are a good way to remember your trip. I also collect postcards. I write a note on them and send them to my friends and family.
That is a nice idea. Sending postcards makes people happy. It is a small gift from your heart.
I agree. And sometimes, when I see the postcard later, it reminds me of the beautiful moments of the trip.
Do you plan to travel soon, Ben?
Yes, I do. I want to visit Spain next. I have seen many pictures of Spain. I want to see the famous architecture and try Spanish food.
Spain is a beautiful country. I have heard that the cities are full of art and music. You can try paella and tapas there.
I have heard that too. I am very excited to try the local food and visit the museums. I also want to learn a few words in Spanish.
That is a good idea. Learning a few words can help you talk with local people. When I traveled, I learned a few Italian words like ciao and grazie.
Yes, and I learned a few Japanese words too. Even if it is only a little, it makes a difference.
Traveling also makes me appreciate the small things in life. When you see beautiful art, old buildings, and tasty food, you learn to enjoy life more.
I agree. Every trip teaches me new lessons. I learn to be patient, to try new things, and to enjoy each moment.
I think traveling is one of the best ways to learn about the world. You see the beauty of nature, the skill of artists, and the kindness of people.
Yes, and it also helps me understand that every culture is different, but similar in many ways. We all like to eat, laugh, and share our stories.
I also like to learn about traditions and festivals when I travel. In Italy, I saw a small festival in a village. People sang, danced, and wore traditional clothes. It was very colorful and joyful.
That sounds wonderful. In Japan, I went to a festival in Kyoto. There were lanterns, traditional music, and many people in beautiful kimonos. It was very impressive.
Festivals are a fun part of travel. They show you the heart of a culture.
Yes, and the food at festivals is amazing. I ate many different snacks, like sweet rice cakes and grilled fish.
In Italy, I tasted gelato, which is very cold and sweet. It was my favorite treat on a hot day.
Gelato is famous. I want to try it in Italy one day. In Spain, I hope to try churros and hot chocolate.
Churros sound delicious. Every country has its own special food, and it is fun to try them all.
Do you like to plan your trips, or do you prefer to travel without a strict plan?
I like to plan my trips a little bit. I check the maps, read about the places, and plan which sites to visit. But I also leave time to explore on my own. Sometimes, the best moments are when you find a small street or a hidden cafe by chance.
I feel the same way. I plan a rough schedule, but I also enjoy wandering and discovering new things. I like to ask locals for recommendations.
Yes, asking locals is a good idea. They know the best places to eat and visit. One time, a local told me about a small restaurant that served the best pasta. I will never forget that meal.
That is a great story. I remember when I was in Japan, a local man recommended a small sushi restaurant. It was not in a guidebook, but the food was amazing.
These experiences make travel very personal. You create memories that last a lifetime.
I agree. Every trip gives me stories to tell and lessons to learn.
I also like to take many photos when I travel. I want to remember the faces, the buildings, and the landscapes.
I take photos too. Sometimes I look at my photos and remember the happy times. It makes me feel warm inside.
Do you ever make a travel journal, Ben?
Yes, I write a short note in my travel journal every day. I write where I went, what I saw, and how I felt. It is a nice way to remember my journey.
That is a very good habit. I sometimes write in my journal too. It helps me remember small details that I might forget otherwise.
Journals are like little treasures. They hold our memories and feelings from each trip.
I also share my travel stories with my friends and family. I tell them about the people I met and the food I ate. It makes me happy to share my experiences.
Sharing stories is important. It can inspire others to travel and learn about the world.
I believe that travel changes us. It makes us more open, kind, and understanding of different cultures.
Yes, traveling helps me see that the world is big and full of wonderful people. It teaches me that we are all connected.
I want to travel more in the future. I hope to visit many countries and learn many languages.
I have the same dream. I want to visit Spain, France, and many other places. I want to try new foods, see new art, and meet new friends.
Our dreams of travel are very exciting. Maybe one day we can travel together.
I would love that, Alice. Traveling with a friend makes the journey even more fun. We can share ideas, try new things, and laugh together.
Yes, I am sure that traveling with a friend will create many happy memories.
Thank you for sharing your travel stories with me, Alice. I enjoyed talking about Italy, Japan, and all the beautiful things you experienced.
Thank you, Ben. I enjoyed listening to your stories about Japan and your plans for Spain. It makes me want to pack my bag and go on an adventure.
Adventures are the best way to learn about the world. I believe that every trip, no matter how short, gives us a new perspective on life.
I agree. Even a day trip to a nearby town can be very interesting. I once went to a small village near my city. I walked on narrow streets, visited a small museum, and tried a local dish. It was a lovely experience.
That is a great example. Sometimes we do not need to travel far. There are many hidden gems close to home.
Yes, local travel is also very important. It helps us appreciate the beauty of our own country.
I also try to visit nearby parks and historical sites on weekends. It makes me feel proud of where I live.
I feel the same way. Learning about the history and culture of our region is very rewarding.
Well, Alice, I think we have talked a lot about travel and experiences today.
Yes, Ben, I enjoyed our conversation very much. Talking about our trips, the culture, and the food makes me happy and inspires me to travel more.
I agree. Our stories remind me that the world is full of beautiful places and kind people.
I hope we can plan a small trip together someday. It would be fun to explore a new city or visit a famous museum with you.
That is a wonderful idea, Alice. Let's talk about it and plan something soon.
Thank you, Ben. I am very happy to have a friend who loves travel as much as I do.
And I am happy to share these experiences with you, Alice. Our conversations always make me dream of new adventures.
Have a great day, Ben. I hope you plan many new trips and collect many happy memories.
Thank you, Alice. I wish you the best in your travels too. Let's talk again soon about our next adventure.
I will, Ben. Goodbye for now and happy travels.
Goodbye, Alice.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.